Hello, good morning. This is Uncle Ron here. Today we're going to do a slow and steady recovery run. I'm still recovering from my sickness. I've been coughing for the last 2 weeks, so we are still recovering from the coughing. So today route will be we go towards Dairy Farm, then a pipeline trail, and go to Chestnut Nature Park. Then we return from there. So today distance should be a shorter distance. Okay, talk to you later. Okay, update. We just completed our slow and steady recovery run. Today distance cover is 20 km with elevation gain of 250 meter. Time taken is 3 hours 20 minutes. So today recovery run feel okay, don't have coughing. So hopefully next week I can do a longer distance run. That's it for today. Stay safe and healthy. See you in my next video. Bye bye.